The very first second when you were born, already they lied to you. They told you you are a male or a female. They gave you a nationality. They gave you a name. They gave you maybe a religion. They started to force an identity upon you by the clothes you are wearing. And all of this, it is in a way a necessity in the modern world. It has benefits definitely because we are all unique, but it has nothing to do with what you are. And notice how I am not saying with who you are, I am saying what you are. Because you are a soul. You are a particle of God, of Source, that somehow came to experience life as a duality on earth. But the thing is, as soon as we are born, we forget everything. That is the goal of life here on earth. For any reasons, we decided that we wanted to see how it is to be separated from God. We are never truly separated from God, but from our five senses, from what you see, you hear, you smell, you are not connected to God in this way. It requires you to truly strive for this connection. You must make a mental, physical, and energical effort to truly be connected with Source. Because at all moments that you go on thinking about anything all day long, just having a mental diarrhea, a tornado that never ends, whenever it happens, you can remember that thought, thinking, is the absence of your presence. And God, every day, He comes and knocks on your door. But the thing is, you're not home. You're thinking about the past, about the future, about what you're gonna eat tomorrow, about the next exams. But if you just become centered within yourself, silent, filled with nothingness, this will create the stable platform which you need to cook anything that you wish. And when I say cook, I am speaking about creating any emotions on command: joy, love, happiness, gratitude. Because you don't need to be a slave to everything that happens around you. You are a creator. God already created all the possibilities of the universe. Anything you can think about, it already exists. The past, the future, the present, all exist as one, as the present. But the present has an infinite amount of multiverse. And whatever that you will think about, whatever that you will feel and do, this will create an overall karmic memory. And this karmic memory is your blueprint as a human being or as a soul that came to experience. And depending on this, you are shifting from multiverse to multiverse, millions of times a day. And this is why we say in manifestation that we must first embody what we want. You want to be rich? Feel rich. Act as if you already are rich. Think as if you already are rich. And the same apply for wishing for spiritual growth, wishing for joy, for love. You must become it first. And remember, the stable platform is the first step. And this is why meditation is so important. It is the only true thing that will bring you, not really bring you because you're already here, but it will allow you to experience your true state, your true self. And some people will say, I feel so meditative when I dance for a long time, or when I run, or when I sing. But all of this, it's like a cheap pill. If you require to dance an hour each time to start to feel centered in yourself, what are you gonna do when you're not gonna dance? Be asleep? It makes no sense. This is why meditation is the key. And beyond this, even if you will meditate 3 hours a day, it will not be enough. Because for the remaining 21 hours, again, you will be asleep. So the goal is when you sit with your eyes closed, you experience the self. And when you open your eyes and get up and take actions into your daily activities, with your willpower, you intend to constantly recycle this state of meditativeness, so that you are no more meditating an amount of times a week, but instead you are constantly in your meditation. Meditation is the main thing that happens, and life is the background. So if you wish to have a way that is the most efficient and simple to successfully meditate beyond pretending, this video is for you. And in order to then be able, as I said, to keep on being meditative in your daily life, this video is gonna show you how. So if you found any value, I welcome you to like, comment and subscribe, because more is coming your way. Thank you. Hare Krishna.